If you are a person who abide, I can see, before and now, but being enlightened, that to be strong, what I mean is you became different. You can now fight for yourself. You can now do things that you cannot do before, but still abide, especially when you are walking already in the enlightenment of our Father God. Mark this also, but because this is strong in these people of doings or their actions, they will do their best to make you abide also of what they wanted, which is the control. Don't just abide them. Know what's wrong and right to allow yourself to abide them, to abide, yeah, or to be used by them. Because sometimes they are actually nonsense. They want to control you, even simple things like they wanted to see that you still abide, because they can see also that you abide everything that God command you. They wanted also to be them. They wanted their control, their etc., their BS, their nonsense words, or whatever they wanted from you, so that you will abide. Well, actually, it depends on you if you allow that one. If it's no, should be no. Yes, if it's right, it still depends on you as the person that controls yourself. If you allow even the wrong things that they wanted you to do through that control, you allow it. It's your decision because you allowed it. You allowed that control, that action of yours to do whatever they wanted you to do. Especially if you are a kind, empathetic person. Yes, this person will always do whatever I will say. This person will follow whatever I say. This person will. Start to be aware of your surroundings and to how people communicate with you. Sometimes people communicate with you, I mean, because they only wanted to control you. Sometimes they will communicate because there's something else that they wanted you to follow. Sometimes you are important in their life because common sensely they wanted something from you. But after that, you know the betrayal itself. So, in this life, earth, it depends on you actually. If you all allow it or not. It depends also on your whole awareness of what's happening around you. How they communicate, why they are here in your life. Or it depends also on how you connect with others. Not everything is them also. The wrong decisions or wrongdoings, you have a part also. Every one of us has a part. Because for real, if they know that you, because we are revolving in energy, and we actually vibrate, and the vibes that coming to us is the message that, oh, that is coming to us also. You can vibe an energy like someone wants your downfall. You can vibe that, or an energy that, wanting you to be in their life, but you are vibing also that that person is wrong. Why would I allow if that person is immature? That's the example also of, being intuitive, which is you have to determine if that person is right or wrong when it comes to finding a partner, or if you want to have a family, you wanted to continue the marriage, if you already have a boyfriend or girlfriend. Well, I hope you understood what I'm saying, because this message is different. I'm talking about the energy that we got, or Bluetooth. It's like a Bluetooth actually, from around, but you don't know what person is that. Sometimes you can experience it actually through a person. And this is, the message right now is about how awakened you are. To be aware of your surroundings and yourself. And how enlightened are you on what's happening through yourself and others. But still continue abiding God, because God doesn't want your downfall, but your goodness. He may, like a parent, he will advise you through a situation. If your actions or decisions that moment is unwise, he will make you see it through situations actually. And you have to be observant at that part. If whatever you do, you cannot get that thing, or whatever you do, it's not, the situation doesn't allow it, it means it's not for you, or you have to realize something, or you have to balance first the situation, or you have to wait, or you have to learn something first before you can go to that situation, or it would be allowed, or you can get it. I hope you understand what I mean. That's why everything has a reason. Let's start seeking to be clarified in that awareness, awakening, or enlightened, and be broad and be sharpened, so that everything wrong that's happening around you, everything, you can see it and be clarified from the things that will come in your, or in your life, or it's happening at the moment. Good luck to us. Let's still walking with our Father God together. Don't mind those people that says you're like a dog that follows God.